Mbere ya kamitii ino Amina ni atungirio ciuria itiganite kuma kuri bunge.
What are you doing to re-strategize the entire thing so that this happens?
Mamwe ma maria meyumiririe ni uria arutwo aria mahutirio ni ngahiha miena ya Narok na Naikuru makahota gwika igeranio ciao.
Enhanced security will be deployed to areas mapped as high risk. We have conducted continuous consultative meetings with the Ministry of Interior and other security agencies to ensure seamless coordination and delivery of the 2018 national examinations.
Amina auga cukuru iria iteyandikithitie ciaya kuhingwo.
Because it is not right that you have Form 1s, Form 2s, Form 3s going to a school that is not registered. I think that's really illegal. And therefore we're going to take very, very tough measures. We're going to close schools that we think do not meet the requirements, right, of operating and functioning.
Akauga cukuru cia kinya o 30 ni iramurikwo na guthuthurio igikwirwo kubanga njama ya uici wa igeranio.
One of the reasons why it had to come out was to discourage schools from doing things that were either irregular or were malpractice. And by telling them that we already are collecting evidence on things that are happening, I think it acts as a restraint.
No akauga gutiri na kigeranio ona kimwe kiumite moko-ini mao na koguo kigerio o giothe kingikorwo gigithiururukio ni kia maheni.
No way. I think we have adequate measures in place, right? I don't think that they will ever know where those papers are until the day that those papers are delivered to the schools and to the exam centers.
Mwenene wake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino ya githomo auga mugaru na hau kabere ministry ino ni yambikite njira cia gutigirira ati o murutwo wiyandikithitie no ahote gwikira mukonde kwiyandikithia gwake kugerera thimu.
When we procured our the SMS service this year, we have provided a feature which will allow every candidate to confirm on their own whether they are registered, so that we remove it from the school and the principal and the head teacher to the responsibility to the individual and the parent.
Kigeranio gia KCPE gikambiriria tariki 30 mweri uyu. Oriri nacio practicals cia kigeranio gia KCSE nacio ikanjia tariki 23 o mweri-ini uyu. Kiripot ra Inooro TV, jitago Joseph wa Shira.